In this video, we're going to get into the numbers of what you'd expect to see for a brand new Centurion NV233. So one of the things we need to understand first is, where does the Centurion NV models fall in the Centurion lineup? Now, very base models, you're going to be starting out with Supreme, the S series. Then you're going to jump into the Centurion class. There it starts out with the NV series, and above that you'll jump to the FE, and then clear at the top of the line you're going to be the RI. But today I want to talk a little bit more in depth on the NV, especially the 233 that we're sitting in today. One of the things that you really need to understand is the NV is a new model for Centurion, and it's one of those that you're finding a lot of dealers option very differently. Now, when you're looking at the NV series, you're probably going to find the biggest price range swing from dealer to dealer, and that is vastly because of the way it's optioned. One of the big options that you're going to find is ram fill. Ram fill is a big controversial discussion whether the NV series needs it and whether it doesn't. It's also the first model that you can option without ram fill. So you're going to see a lot of people not option it with ram fill, and you're going to see a lot of people that say it absolutely has to have ram fill because it's a Centurion. Now, there are some other options, of course, like engine and some tower upgrades and speaker upgrades that can change that, but ram fill is going to be probably the biggest one that you're going to look for when you're looking at the NV series. Just that option alone is $10,000. Of course, we want to give you price on a model like this. An NV233 brand new, you're probably going to be looking at prices between $150,000 up to the $200,000 mark. Now, if you're looking to finance this boat, you're probably looking at payments between $1,100 to $1,500 payments. And that math is based on a 20-year note at a 10% down with rates of between 7.5 to 7.99. And that is what we're seeing in the current market. Once again, there is options that can allow you to go under those marks, and there are options that you can option NV way above that. So it doesn't give you an exact number, but it does give you a base number of what you'll probably be looking for.